The limited edition smartphone went on its first sale on China January 7 at a promotional price of RMB 2699, equivalent to 424 US dollar. Dragon Ball is one of the best known Japanese anime on this planet, and clearly we have been waiting for this edition for so long. Over the years, Realme has earned a reputation for being a unique design on its smartphones. So this is Ashfaq Ahmed and you're watching TechNash, so let's get started. So today we are quite excited to bring you the unboxing and first hands on the Neo2 Dragon Ball Z limited edition. To start off, let's see what we get inside the box. Realme GT Pro Dragon Ball Z Edition hands-on features too. This limited edition model comes with heavily customized packaging. Inside the box you will get a cover printed with Goku in Super Saiyan 3. And it comes with a wealth of character stickers and a collection card of the dragon. This is truly a wonderful gift for Dragon Ball Z fans. Under the cover, you will find the limited edition smartphone, which features a glass back with orange and blue pen job in a matte finish. Unfortunately, there are no more customized accessories in the package. The charging cage is the same as with what we found in the standard version. Now let's look at its software. In addition, when you use the included 65-watt charger for charging, the display will bring an animated effect that looks like Goku gathering energy back, and when the phone gets full, the charge, Goku in the background will transform into Super Saiyan. Although as a fan of Dragon Ball, I wish I could see more customization, and still happy to actually have it in my hand, especially considering this is the first time we are seeing a customized phone of Dragon Ball Z. So what do you think of this Dragon Ball Z limited edition version phone? Please leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.